Discover the standout rowing machines of 2026, a must-see for fitness enthusiasts looking to upgrade. We'll evaluate performance, value, ease of use, and durability. Find product links in the description and first comment. Let's dive into these top picks, starting with our first featured rowing machine. Our first product is the Rowing Machine for Home, boasting a 350 labout capacity and 16-level silent resistance. This machine is perfect for full-body workouts, providing both cardio and strength training in a compact design. The foldable feature makes it ideal for home use, saving space without compromising on performance. With app support, you can track your progress and keep your workouts engaging and personalized. Designed for smooth operation, it's equipped with magnetic resistance for a noise-free experience. For those seeking a reliable and versatile rowing machine, this model delivers an excellent balance of features and price. Next is the Wenoker Rowing Machine, a magnetic rower with a 350 bow weight capacity. It offers 16 levels of silent resistance, catering to both beginners and advanced users. The machine's robust build ensures durability, making it a great investment for long-term fitness goals. Its easy assembly means you can get started with your workout routine in no time. This model is perfect for home gym setups, providing a professional-grade workout experience. For anyone looking to integrate rowing into their exercise regimen, this machine offers a fantastic value. Our third pick is the Yosuda Rowing Machine, designed for everyone from beginners to athletes. Featuring resistance adjustment, Bluetooth, and app support, it caters to a tech-savvy audience. The LCD monitor helps track your performance, making it easier to achieve your fitness goals. Its comfortable seat cushion ensures long sessions are enjoyable without discomfort. This machine stands out for its user-friendly design, offering a seamless workout experience. For those who value technology in their fitness equipment, Yosuda is a smart choice. Fourth is another rowing machine for home, featuring a 350 labout capacity and 16-level silent resistance. Like the first, it's foldable and compact, perfect for maximizing space in your home gym. This model supports app connectivity, allowing for interactive and engaging workout sessions. Its solid construction and reliable performance make it a dependable choice for any fitness enthusiast. The machine's magnetic system ensures a quiet, smooth rowing experience, ideal for any household. For those looking for a versatile yet powerful rowing machine, this option is certainly worth considering. Lastly, we have the Wenoker Rowing Machine with upgraded 32-level resistance and a smart electronic knob. Its 350 lbs weight capacity and compact design make it suitable for various home settings. Easy assembly is a highlight, allowing users to quickly set up and start their fitness routines. This model is perfect for those who seek a more challenging workout with its advanced resistance options. The smart electronic knob adds convenience, making adjustments seamless and intuitive. Wenoker delivers a top-tier rowing experience, proving it's a product truly worth your investment.